religion than humanity.
Just days ago, religious places and places of worship were places of coronavirus violations. But now they've turned around and become helping hands in the time of this second wave crisis. Religious temples, mosques and gurudwaras are now helping India in its battle against COVID. Take a look at these images from before and now. On your left, images from the Kumbh where thousands gathered for the holy dip. There was a big coronavirus case explosion there. On the right, from the Swaminarayan temple in Vadodara, where a COVID facility has now been exclusively set up by the temple. Example number 2. Earlier, there were grand Baisakhi celebrations at the Golden Temple in Amritsar, completely violating COVID norms. And now Delhi's Gurudwara Bangla Sahib has been preparing food for those who've tested positive with all COVID norms in place. Things have completely turned around. And now the third example. Earlier, you saw these images of the Ramzan festivities at the mosque, the Mecca Masjid in Hyderabad. Well, now Mumbai mosques, even during Ramzan, are giving out oxygen cylinders for free and catering other services to those in need. So places of worship have truly come together to help those in need. Earlier there were violations, now they're helping those who need it the most. We've put together some of those examples so you can see up close how mandirs, masjids and gurudwaras have come together and said priority number 1 is saving human life, because there is no higher religion than humanity.
As India battles monstrous COVID-19 surge, places of worship lend a helping hand to battle the contagious second wave. Temples, mosques and other sites of worship opened their gates to the needy. In the Maximum City, the famous 5-story Jain temple has now been converted into a COVID center with 100 oxygen beds.
We are right now present in Mumbai's Kandivali area, and this is Pawan Dham Jain Temple, and this whole temple right now is converted into a COVID care center. Now in Mumbai, the most important is the oxygen bed, but this particular COVID care center has the capacity of 100 beds and it's completely oxygen beds. So people are going to get a huge benefit out of it.
The volunteers at the temple are working round the clock to ensure proper arrangements.
आज के इस क्रिटिकल पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन के अंदर आदमी को जब बेड नहीं मिलता है, बेड मिलता है तो ऑक्सीजन अवेलेबिलिटी इज देयर, ऑक्सीजन मिलता है तो मेडिसिन इज नॉट देयर। पर ये सभी चीज़ों का त्रिवेणी संगम करके यहाँ पे ये धार्मिक संकुल में रिजनेबल रेट से आदमी को प्रोवाइड करने की पूरी हम लोग की तैयारी है।
In Mumbai's Bhindi Bazaar, the mosques are relentlessly contributing to the COVID fight, delivering oxygen cylinders.
इसमें 25 से 30 वॉलंटियर्स हैं जो हमेशा 24 आवर्स रेडी रहते हैं और ये हमारी सर्विस गालिबन लास्ट ईयर 31/5/2020 से शुरू हुई एंड मोर देन 350 एंड 400 पेशेंट को तब तक के दे चुके।
In Gujarat's Vadodara too, religious places are equipping the premises with COVID beds and ventilators.
There is a crisis of bed, there is a crunches of bed in the hospitals, and Swaminarayan Temple has opened this 500-bed hospital in its premises in Vadodara to ensure no one leaves behind. All COVID patients get beds. All these beds, if you see in these images, are fully equipped with oxygen cylinders. A dedicated team of medical practitioners, doctors, nurses, paramedic staff, all ensuring best treatment.
The Jahangirpura Mosque has converted into a 50-bed hospital, which is also equipped with oxygen cylinders. For the past 1 month, the mosque has been treating COVID patients.
The Muslim community have come together and converted this mosque which used to be a place of worship for all, in this particular area, the Jahangirpura Masjid of Vadodara is now a semi-hospital with oxygen-equipped bed BiPAP machines. Out of these 50-bed hospital, which has been prepared for last 6 days, is now functional. A team of doctors, medical staff, nurses is taking care of all the patients, as there are a number of serious patients, those who are being treated.
The service by these temples and mosques are a reminder to all communities that we are together in this fight against an invisible enemy. With Saurabh Bakhtania from Mumbai and Ashutosh Mishra from Vadodara, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.